Question number 3. Being overweight can affect the health and life expectancy of a person. 3.1. It is an A1 question, and this question is from health issues, lifestyle, and non communicable diseases. Give one disease related to being overweight. Students have different options. There are different diseases are related to being overweight, like diabetes or heart diseases. 3.2 is an AO2 question. It's from the same topic. The question is body mass index BMI helps to show if a person has a healthy body mass for their height. BMI is calculated by using the equation which is given here. A woman has a BMI of 27 and a body mass of 68.1 kilogram. Calculate the woman's height in meter. We have been given certain values. So given are BMI 27 and mass is given 68.1 kilogram. We need to find the height of the woman. Students should be careful that height is squared. It's a 3 mark question, so we need to substitute the values first. BMI here and the mass here. So the steps are 27 is equal to 68.1 over height square. We need to put these values here. So height square into 27, that is equal to 68.1. Height square, that is equal to 68.1 over 27. If you use a calculator, the answer is 2.52. Most of the students, they leave the answer up to here. It is an incomplete answer. We need to find the height. Therefore, the students need to take the square root of both sides. The height is equal to, after taking the square root, 1.59 meters. 3.3 is an EO3 question and it is from the same topic. Figure number 4 shows a height body mass chart for adults. Height in meters is along y-axis and body mass in kilograms is along x-axis. The chart is divided into 4 different categories: underweight, healthy weight, overweight, and obese. The question is, which weight category describes the woman in question number 3.2? In 3.2, we found the height of the woman is 1.59 and her weight is 68.1 kilogram. So I use this graph that this is approximately 1.59 and this is approximately 68.1 kilogram. I drew a line from 68.1 kilogram and moved towards the left side with 159. This is the point which falls in the category of the overweight. So the category here which describes the woman weight is that is overweight. 3.4 is an AO2 question, and this question is from health issues, lifestyle and non communicable diseases, blood and heart and the blood vessels. People are encouraged to control their body mass with diet and exercise. Describe how the balance between the mass of the food eaten and the amount of exercise a person does control body mass. The question is related to the food eaten by the person and how to control the body mass. If the person is doing the regular exercise, it means a lot of the food is converted into form of energy. Therefore, a regular exercise is very important to control the body mass. If a person eats more food and it is converted less into the energy, the most of the food is converted into form of fats and the body mass will increase. On the other hand, if the person takes less food and more energy is produced by the body, as a result of that, the mass of the body will decrease. Let's see the model answer for this question. The model answer is if a person takes in more food, then more energy is produced in the body and more exercise is required to use the energy produced in the body. If the energy intake is equal to the energy transfer to the body, the mass doesn't change. Student will get 1 mark here. If the energy intake is less than the energy transfer to the body, the mass of the body will decrease. That is second mark here. If the energy intake is more than the energy transfer to the body, the mass of the body will increase. 1 mark here. 3.5 is an year 1 question, and this question is related to aerobic and anaerobic respiration and response to exercise. During a long period of vigorous exercise, the body respires anaerobically. Explain the changes that happen in the body during and after vigorous exercise. The student can categorize this question in two parts. The changes happen in the body during the exercise and the changes happen in the body after doing the exercise. The model answer is we have divided our question in two parts. One is during exercise, another is after doing exercise. So during exercise, the breath rate will increase and body will inhale more oxygen and exhale more carbon dioxide to meet energy requirement of the body. As the body needs more oxygen, therefore the blood flow in the body will increase because the blood has to transfer oxygen to each cell and tissue to produce energy and to remove carbon dioxide from every single cell. Due to the vigorous exercise, an oxygen debt means shortage of the oxygen is created in the body. Therefore, the lactic acid is produced as the result of anaerobic respiration and muscles feel pain due to production of lactic acid. The second part of the question is the changes happen in the body after doing vigorous exercise. After exercise, the heart rate decreases slowly to pay back the oxygen debt until the oxygen level gets normal in the body. It helps to reduce the lactic acid in the body and transfer lactic acid to the liver, where the lactic acid is converted into glucose, then in glycogen. A part of the lactic acid it reacts with the extra oxygen to break lactic acid into water and carbon dioxide.